Here is our range of AluPro. It has the handles in the front. And this here is AluFly. It has the handles on the sides. It's aluminum rack system that consists of different types of panels. And you got different type of features. Here you got a rack light powered up by USB-C. You can dim it as well if you don't need all the lights, and if you hit the right spot. So, and all this consists of different types of panels. So this here, for instance, it's also just a panel, but with a screen mount. So you just unscrew these, then you mount this one, and it's for a tablet. But if you rotate this one, then it's for a Visa 50, 75 and 100. So it's very modular and a lot of different opportunities that can be customized for your needs.